Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Space Stonks coming at you live from New York. How is everybody doing? We left off yesterday where Dogecoin was like at 19 cents. Bitcoin was like at 41,000 per coin. And as we knew and we expected, it eventually would go back up. Just that's the way it goes, right? All the time. So what's up, everybody? Robinhood. Big things are coming. Crypto wallets are coming. What's up, Nathan Sayers? How are you doing? I'm back, Reb. What's going on? How are you? How's everybody doing? So I just wanted to get some things covered real quick as I start this live stream. So I promised some things yesterday, so I just want to get that out there real quick. So there's a stock out there, Bombardier. I do have it, and I got some awesome people in the community from Canada, and they actually tipped me off to this stock. And yeah, Nathan Sayers, you know what's going on when I'm talking about this. So anyway, it's a penny stock if you're interested. It's been around for a while, but I went overseas. I was on vacation, and check this out real quick. This is the first time I stepped off a plane, and wow, there it was, right there in front of the fuselage, right here, under where the pilot sits. Right there, you can see it. So if you're interested, this stock is actually out there, and it's on real world things. And right there, Bombardier, right there. That's one photo I took. I went to another plane. By the way, this was a nightmare. I have a fear of flying, and I was on this plane. It's just scary stuff. So here's plane 2. I have another shot for you. There it is. On another plane. This is entirely, obviously, it's not green in the front. Another plane. And I'm going to show you the stock right now. So I'm in on this stock. So yeah, check that out. Right there. Boom. It's been around. And yeah, really cool times. And this was in the European Union. These planes were there and cool stuff. And this is the stock real quick. I just want to show you that. There it is. It's $1.50 a share. My average is $1.32. So yeah, you can't go wrong with that. If you're interested, if you're curious, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just, it's so cheap. I thought it's been around for a while. It looks legit. It's from Canada. It's an awesome company, I think, because it manufactures planes and trains. It operates through the following segments: business, aircraft, commercial aircraft, stuff like this, aerostructures and engineering and services and transportation. And you can see it right there. To get off a plane and jump around the European Union and go onto planes that show that this particular plane was in, these two were LOT planes, Polish Airlines, that's right, in Poland. Crazy, right? So if you're curious, that I just wanted to put you onto that. That's an entirely different video I can make on that. So here we are, guys. What's up? I just wanted to show you that I'm real with it, and I did get it, and I have those shares, and I'm holding on to them. Max L, what's going on, baby? Samuel V, still holding. Space Donks, absolutely. Still holding, not folding. Absolutely. Bitcoin, Dogecoin. I have some Ethereum. Stay classy. What's poppin', baby? What's going on? Stay classy. How are you? Roberto, how are you doing? I came back, missed you. I went over why I was gone. I was locked into my account. Long story short. Welcome back. Time Robinhood stood behind their word. Here we go. Koakiro-kun, what is up? Back in the building. It's been a long time. My friend Max L was talking about you yesterday. I was supposed to go into my Twitter, and I didn't yet. Very busy. I got to get in there. I was so happy to come back here and talk to you all. Just the wallets come on the news. Wallets big time today in the news. We knew this was happening. So let me just talk about, according to Barron's, Robinhood's crypto expansion could spark fee wars. Robinhood Markets is adding a key feature in its cryptocurrency platform that can make it a bigger player in the crypto world. And we've been waiting for this, right? We've been waiting to have control. If you're into Robinhood and you have crypto in your Robinhood, the first place I ever got crypto, obviously, was in Robinhood, if you've been following me. So the broker announced on Wednesday, the official statement is released. I am on the list that it would start testing a crypto wallet next month, everyone, that will allow users to move their digital assets off its app or transfer assets from elsewhere onto the app. It's setting up a wait list for people to join. If they're interested, by the way, I sent my friend the link. And, hey, get me halfway up on that list, baby. Come on. My friend's like, I'll look into it. Look into it? What is there to look into? If you're listening, what is there to look into? It's legit. It's coming. I got a super chat from Native Honey with his little Shiba Inu. Thank you very much for that. Appreciate that. So what is there to look into? Appreciate that. Sinew E. Garcia back in the building. Thank you for the support. Welcome back, my dude. We missed you. Hey, it's always good to be missed. I appreciate that. Missed you all as well. I left a message on my community page about being locked out of my account. So we got some old school, if you want to say old school, because this channel was like a couple months old. Well, it started in February. So Koa Kirokun is in here. And he was one of the first people in here when I was telling people Robinhood, to get Dogecoin. In my opinion, I was like, I think it's a really good deal at 4 and 5 cents. And I think it's going to explode and unload. That is Dogecoin. So here we are, guys. We are on the verge here of looking at Robinhood using crypto wallets. Game changer. What do you think? I think this is going to be really good for cryptocurrency. I think so many people still, some people are against it, I understand. But so many people like myself still have Robinhood. I utilize Robinhood, and it's going to be a big deal that we get access totally to our cryptocurrency, and it's going to open up. There's a waiting list, right? So according to what they're saying, it's going to open up more in 2022, but there's a waiting list. Right now, I am 58,000 on the waiting list. I referred a friend so I can jump up on that waiting list, but he says he's got to look into it. I don't know. What's wrong? I should call him live during the show and say, dude, what are you talking about? You got to look into it. It's free. What's the problem? You have Robinhood too, and you have cryptocurrency. I bought this guy, in December, under a penny, Dogecoin for a gift. So he has it. So what's the problem? And he also has other crypto wallets too. Court, what's going on? I really have to remember to switch accounts. Yeah, so that is what's up. So guys, I went over that early on in the show about that, and I'm glad I shared those pictures with you. I couldn't believe it that I saw that stock ticker on the side of the plane, the actual company. Pretty awesome stuff. So I was just waiting to hang out with you guys. Nathan Sayers, thank you so much. This channel is the best donks channel on YouTube, hands down. Hey, I appreciate that, baby. Thank you. That means a lot. Super duper Jack Canada currency representing. And yes, I am because of you and your fiance. Absolutely. You guys tipped me off. Bombardier. I got in on that because of you two. For sure. I looked at it and I said, hey, let me take a look at this. Why not? At the time, it was $1.32. Now it's already $1.50 where I'm at, and its chart's looking good for the year, that stock, and it's going up. But I'm gonna make a one-off video, another video on that separately. So I really appreciate the super chat. You got to get the super chat horn right there, the super duper chat horn. And guys, things are looking really good. Remember yesterday, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, bud starts to creep in for some of us, right? We get impatient. We start to look at Dogecoin going down, and you start to panic. Not everybody. I'm talking about the people that actually panic. And they're like, oh my goodness, I got Dogecoin at, let's say, 25 cents not too long ago, and I see it going down to 19 cents yesterday. Oh my God, I gotta sell. And I'm saying, in my opinion, you shouldn't sell because it's going to go back up. So why would you sell at a loss, right? So things are looking up. Let me see what Karo is saying. What's up? My expectation is 1 cent / month. How many months since January? 9 months. So 9 cents gain will be good. But no, we gain more than 20 cents since January. Yeah, it's really looking really good. Elon just tweeted about Doge. That would be great. Did he do that? Let's see what's going on. Not that I don't take your word for it. Some people were joking and they were doing that in the past to me. What did he tweet? Let's take a look. That's awesome. During the live stream, right? Elon Musk Twitter. I'm taking a look right now. Thank you for that tip off right there. I'm not seeing the tweet here at the moment. Maybe someone could tell me where to see that. So yeah. So even if Elon Musk doesn't tweet about Doge has grown substantially, especially with name brand recognition. It's crazy, guys. The potential. By the way, can I get 30 likes, guys? The potential. Awesome. I appreciate that, Sinew E. Garcia. I'm getting hit up on my I got someone. Hey, I just got a message right now in my Twitter. In my personal text. Hey, call me on Teams. I can't do that. I swear some of people out there that personally know me see I go live and they start to hit me up. They just see the live notification. They don't come in here. They just start to hit me up in text messages and calls because it's just too coincidental. It happens a lot. What's up, Space Dunks? Dogecoin Soldier holding 24/7, 365 day every day. Yeah, that's right. Braves and Brooklyn, NYC, Brooklyn in the building. Large cast productions, no doubt about it. Super important for Doge fees to drop. Make things like buying movie tickets viable. You know, we were talking about that so many times. It's going to happen. I think it's going. All of this stuff is going to happen. I've rehashed this so many times on this channel. I just gave my opinion and my assessment of the future, and I don't see why that AMC and all these other places, streaming services, Starbucks, all of your places that even you personally love to go and shop at, do not accept cryptocurrency in the future. I don't see how that does not happen. It's going to be a thing. And guys, we're gonna blow up, meaning we're gonna be making money, I believe, because we're gonna be holding our cryptos and we're gonna be looking at the bears crying out of our Lambo windows. You know, I'm just like, when I say that, I don't literally mean you're gonna get a Lambo. Some of us aren't gonna do that, but it's funny. But seriously, I think that it's gonna be really good in the future, and we're all in a really good position because cryptocurrency is in its infancy stages. And some people just don't believe, or they don't really put their money where their mouth is or their expectations is until it's like, you know, they jump on with FOMO, fear of missing out. They see the trend where it's going, you know, the whole world at some point, if this goes like we think it's going to go, they're going to be investing in more institutions, more people, more businesses, and more like talk about cryptocurrency as we move into the future. And we see in the real world, like when we go to the mall, like, hey, I want to buy a pair of sneakers. Oh, I could use my Bitcoin, I could use my Dogecoin, and it's like a normalcy. Then we're going to see more stuff. What's a little scary to me at times, I'm not going to lie, I jump in these cars sometimes, and it happens a lot. It's been happening a lot lately, where the driver is talking about how rich they are. I've had this, I'm not even exaggerating, guys, it's funny though. I've had it happen more than once where the driver's talking about like they're so rich or they're doing so well in the stock market in cryptocurrency. And I'm like, wait a minute, this guy's talking about being rich and he's driving a car, you know, he's hustling, but I don't know, it's just I think a lot of people just try to braggadociously exaggerate, you know, in the real world, sometimes, from my experience. Because it's just happened to me too much where I'm jumping in these cars and crypto or something comes up and they're talking about they're doing so well. One guy's telling me he's sitting on 80 Bitcoins at like $5,000. I'm like, wait a minute, but you're driving me. Something doesn't make sense here. You're driving me around and you're sitting on 80 Bitcoin and you got $1 million. And then he went on to say he's got $1 million comic collection. I'm like, something's not right. You're driving me around? This is weird. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's like hanging out with your friends and talking about stuff, right? So, hey, real numbers. My family and friends bought almost 50,000 more Doge at 20 cents for the last few months. Kuro-Kuro-kun ads. That's awesome. That's really good. There's people buying it, like I said yesterday, as soon as it started, and in the live stream, when it started going to 19 cents for a few seconds, it would jump back to 20 because there were so many buyers at 20. Hey guys, can we shoot for 40 likes? I know it's hard to do, and I know, you know, some of you are sticking with me and you already liked, but we'll see if we get some more people in here if the algorithm feeds out my channel. So anyway, long story short, one more time, I was locked in on my YouTube account abroad. They said suspicious activity was the reason. Suspicious activity because the IP jumped from New York. All of a sudden, I'm in Europe. So I wasn't allowed to get into my channel, and I almost lost my main email address that links me into all of my YouTube channels, which is crazy, guys. I almost lost out big time. I could make a nice recovery today. It could make a nice recovery today. Squidward, what's up, baby? How you doing? So if you're new to the channel and you happen to just fall into this room, you know, if you want to subscribe or you want to get hit up with more notifications so you could chill and we can have a good time together in the future right here with your boy Space Dogs and the awesome community that is here. Very knowledgeable people. Everybody's in here and we're all hanging out. We're all talking. I'm just a retail investor like you. I'm not sitting up here. I got a really nice message. By accident, I clicked my last produced video that wasn't a live stream and someone wrote, basically you are a real pro. I made a lot of money because of what you were telling me with stocks and crypto and stuff. But I'm not a pro. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm a pro. I've just been investing for a few years, and I'm been doing quite well, and I have a few portfolios, and yeah, things are up. I taught my friend how to trade. He's doing really good. A couple of my friends now, but one of them in particular is doing really good. All of them are up, which is crazy to me. So I always told them when I started, I said, don't get mad at me if you somehow lose money. You got to make rational decisions. You got to do your due diligence. But all of them happen to be up, and every one of them has been trading for at least a year and up over right now. And I've been teaching someone else more recently, but they kind of don't want to really get into investing yet. They're not sure, and I hope that person actually does get into trading and investing, because I think they will benefit substantially in the future. So guys, it's awesome. So Dogecoin is at a really good buy right now. It's only 22 cents. I mean, come on, 22 cents. Large Cash Productions, you know what's up. You're from New York. You know 22 cents is what? Is nada, right? 22 cents. I get it. It adds up. But if you want to go out and buy a hot pair of sneakers or something like that, you could have yourself some nice gains in the future with Dogecoin, where I believe, and a lot of other people in here that are invested in Dogecoin believe it's going to go. It's going to go up, and cryptocurrency is still a baby. It's still very young. So I really envision a future with this currency where a lot of people are going to be utilizing it as a normalcy, and more the next generation, they're going to be growing up in a world where cryptocurrency is totally like not even a thing. It's like a normal thing. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh, it's a risky, it's something that's already embedded in our societies, in our worlds, where you can go out and you can venture out, go to the movies, go to AMC, go to whatever, White Castle, whatever, KFC chicken, whatever you like, whatever you do, wherever you go, wherever you buy your clothing and stuff like that, you can go in and buy things with crypto straight up, and it's normal. My sister really mad, Koa says, when Doge goes to 60 cents, 75 cents, we hope that it would drop so that we could get it. It dropped for the sake of all the long-term holders. I feel you. I understand what you're saying. Yeah, absolutely. Hey, what's up? Kylie is in the building. What is going on, everybody? So, yeah, what else did I want to talk about? I wanted to talk about this. I'm going to Elon Musk's Twitter real quick again. I don't know why it doesn't give me his tweet. Oh, it's the replies and stuff. Okay, I see what's going on here. Yep. Wow, what a coincidence. I go on Elon Musk tweets. Super important for Doge fees to drop to make things like buying ticks. Okay. Well, we have been saying this. I'm going to put this up on screen for everyone to see, just in case so we're all a part of the community here. I'm talking about our investments in our cryptocurrency. But guys, we've been saying this, right? We've been talking about this for a while. We've been saying that this is going to happen, and they're going to work on dropping things down, making it more green, more lean, making fees drop, and it's a process. This is a process. And Elon Musk, hey, Elon, how about, just putting it on Tesla right now on the website so we can accept it as payment? Now, my prediction, the last time I actually made a prediction, because someone asked me, I believe, in one of these live streams, I think, they asked me, when do I think Elon Musk is going to accept Dogecoin, if he ever does, as payment for Dogecoin and Bitcoin again? And I said it would be nice right before the holidays, right? Because there's a lot of people that have a lot of money and they want to buy Tesla. So it would make sense if he does it before the holiday, like December, right before 2022. But it's going to probably be sometime in 2022 if it doesn't happen in December. So that's my prediction. So I'm hoping he should do it in December. At least accept Bitcoin first, again, and then driving Dogecoin up and everything else, because we all know it mimics it, and then accepting Bitcoin with Dogecoin as a package and Ethereum together would be a really smart business move, because there's people out there that will buy a Tesla with it. Mr. Tanker, what's going on? Northeast Philadelphia in the house. What's going on, baby? Hello from Compton, Maria Gonzalez, sorry. in the building from Compton, California. You got to be from California, right? The city of Compton, you know, that's from, I think it was on Dre Day. So, yeah, guys, what is up? So, Koa Kiro-kun says, so here it is. If our target is $20 in 2028 at my lease target, then we don't need to be worried for any dip. The lower the dip, the more coin that long-term holders can buy. Well, look, there's a really interesting phenomena happening right now with cryptocurrency from where I'm sitting. Bitcoin is between $28,000 and $52,000. And as that happens, there's opportunities on other cryptos, obviously, especially with Dogecoin, because Dogecoin, like I said before, and I'll say it again, it has such name brand recognition now, the biggest one for the cheapest. So meaning basically Dogecoin is famous, it's becoming more and more famous, it's well known, it's going to outer space, and it's only 22 cents. And people are gonna just be off of the cryptocurrency of Dogecoin being the first meme ever and being so like pushed out there by a lot of people like Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, and a lot of big names, big influencers. And it's only 22 cents. It's gonna like, oh my God, this coin was only 22 cents. It's kind of weird at this point for me. I know it has to have a high market cap, but it's kind of weird for me that it is this cheap right now. After all is said and done, I think it's gonna run, and it's all just begun. Bitcoin is gonna be the one that sparks the fire again, and it's going to send Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, the top ones, up a lot more from where I'm sitting. So a lot of people do agree with me, I know that, while there's other people that they say they disagree or they're being negative on Bitcoin where there was positive in the past, I believe, because they're buying it lower. They're buying it lower. So I think there's definitely a bias there or an interest in shorting it so they can get it cheaper. So like with any other, like with any stock, even though it's cryptocurrency, but with any stock, I look at the charts and I'll think about the future. Like what is the future, I always say, of Starbucks? Starbucks is everywhere. I think Starbucks is going to go higher, and I think it's due for a split. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to make a video on it detailing it. And I really believe that Starbucks is going to do some really good things. Just like I believe Bitcoin and Dogecoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies in the top 10 are going to be around for a long time, and it's going to be looking really good for the future. It's cheap for those who understand the opportunity, right? Yeah, totally. But you know, trends will happen again. The way Dogecoin blew up and did so amazing, it was a real big hype. It was timing. It was the Saturday Night Live pump, and things are, the next time it gets pumped and it goes up, it's going to be more off of real technicals in the world, where Elon Musk and Mark Cuban and other people are doing things. They're working with Dogecoin and they're working with crypto, and it's going to be like really solid stuff, not just a show in New York that drives it up. So that's going to be really interesting. That's what I think. I mean, we'll see. So yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Space Dogs, having a good time here, just talking about stocks, cryptocurrency, and Robinhood. This is a big deal. It really is. I think it is. Robinhood's crypto wallets are finally ready for a test run. The Verge has an article up right now. There's initially a wait list. By the way, guys, I don't know what number you are. Anybody want to share what number they are on the list? If you're on the Robinhood list, I am 58,000 and change when I signed up for it today. I'm trying to get someone, a friend. I don't want to push that in here, but I'm trying to get a friend, a personal friend, to click on my recommendation so I get up. It says I'll cut half, you know, I'll jump half the list up. So it should be interesting, you know. Where's that? I had a screenshot of that one to share with you guys. Here it is. So I would like to get up there on that list because I want to be one of the people that get it first. Why not, right? Why not? Yo, check it out, guys. So there, join the waiting list. I'm on that waiting list. Currently 58,000 on the waiting list. With crypto wallets, you'll be able to send your coins to other wallets and receive supported crypto in your Robinhood account. Be one of the first to get the wallets. Get those wallets, baby. I want my wallet. Why not? Good times. So, really? You're 200,000 in your account on your waiting list? On the waiting list? What's going on, baby? How you doing? Sorry, I'm getting to these comments. What's up, stonks? I'm finally using my Dogecoin. I'm betting 20K Dogecoin on Canelo versus Caleb fight with friends. No, are you really? I'm betting Canelo to win. Yo, what's the odds on that fight? You know, I am a self-proclaimed, I out-predicted Titty Atlas. I don't want to turn people off, but I have such a track record with betting fights. I think Canelo is definitely, probably, he should win that fight. He's like, right now, unstoppable. It's going to be the toughest fight this Caleb has ever had. It's going to be pretty dope. It's going to be a good fight. So I don't know the odds, but congratulations. You're betting 20,000 Doge on that fight, right? So if you win, how much will you get according to these odds right now? Canelo versus... It's going to be a really good fight. Caleb Plant. I've been watching his fights on Fox. It's going to be really interesting. Hey, good luck to you. I think that you are definitely, if you were betting the opposite, I would say that's risky. Yeah, just a few minutes later, so you're a little bit behind. You're 200,000 on the list for Robinhood. We're talking about the Robinhood, by the way. The list for crypto wallets. So, hey, that's interesting. Thanks for sharing that, B.O. Good luck to you. I'm going to be watching that fight November 6th, I believe, right? I'm going to be watching that fight as well as Deontay Wilder versus Tyson Fury 3. I'm a big boxing fan. I just got to put that out there. Definitely big boxing fan. My first bet in Vegas back in the day, I don't gamble that much. I'm going to be straight up. But back in the day, I was in Vegas and I bet up my first bet ever on a fight, and I won big because the underdog I knew was going to win. It was crazy. And people were like, you're crazy. And then the guy told me, he's like, why didn't you tell me? The guy I was with, like I met on the line while we were betting. Why didn't you tell me so-and-so was going to win? I said, I told you. You didn't think he was going to win. He was made the favorite. So favorites do actually fall. There's upsets. So if you really know a sport, you can get an upset. With boxing, the odds aren't so great all the time because it's kind of easy to figure out when you have two known fighters, like who's going to win a fight. Unless it's something like with, I think Pacquiao, Floyd Mayweather threw a lot of people off. Anyway, by the way, I knew Floyd would dominate easily, and I knew it would be a boring fight. Okay, I made 2K, my bad. It's a straight bet. Okay, B.O., you're safe. That's not bad. Well, let me just say, I was actually in Europe when Conor McGregor fought Floyd Mayweather, and I told you I don't really bet. I don't play the lotto or anything like that. I invest. But I said, hey, I said to the wifey, I said, hey, it would be a good time to tell all your European relatives right now, anyone you know in Europe, friends, anybody, because you could bet real quick anywhere, like in Europe and a lot of countries in Europe. And I was like, bet everything on Floyd Mayweather to win, because he's going to definitely beat McGregor. So bet everything, your life savings, if you're going to bet, if you're a bettor and you like gambling, because he's going to win that. Of course, I didn't bet. All right, we need Space Donks versus Matt Wallace in boxing. All in Doge. Who is Matt Wallace? I don't even know who that is. I think I looked up once. Matt Wallace. I forget who is that. Angel Castro, thanks a lot, man. Yeah, let's get that going, right? Oh wait, okay, that's a big YouTuber, obviously, right? With finance. I'm ready. I throw every day. I stay in shape. I throw at least 100 punches shadowboxing. I have virtual reality headset. It's pretty dope. And I use Thrill of the Fight, so I throw a lot of punches in that. I can go a couple rounds, easy. So I've been training all my life. I'm ready. I'm ready to get into the ring. Okay, so yeah, guys. So look, we're doing pretty good here. I think that we're just holding. We're waiting for an explosion, not erosion, and we're waiting for the bears once again to be frozen. And Dogecoin, I'm waiting. It's going to happen. Even when it goes to 30 again, I'm still holding. I'm not trying to sell it. I'm gonna just chill. I'm gonna just wait for the future. I can hold on for years and years and years, for real. Max L says Matt will lose, based off my voice, right? Stock says who's best? That's gangster right there. I really didn't know. I just assume it's a big YouTuber. You guys were flashing some names up to me. I really don't go looking at other finance channels. When I was in Europe, I just looked at a couple of headlines. I slid down because I was curious, and I just kept seeing Bitcoin crashing and stuff like that. I was just curious. I have short-term memories, so if I go there, I remember people in the community here because I see you guys a lot. So someone says Max L. Matt is a FUD spreader. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I got my Doge on stonks. Yeah, when I do this, I just approach this as just be you. You're an investor. You're a retail investor. Just stay honest with your stuff. Because honestly, you gotta come on here. If you're being yourself and you're just talking like where I'm coming from, having a good time with my friends, really, I'm just doing what I do here. And I don't. If you're trying to lie and create some type of persona on this type of channel, it really will work against you, because who could remember? I'm one of those personalities. I can't have that type of agenda. I would have to come on here as an actor and play a character. I'm just being me, feeling really good, having a good time with you guys, and talking about stonks and investments and stuff like that, and what I think's going on. Just like I'm talking, like I always say, just like I'm talking to like a couple of friends in my backyard or at Starbucks. That's what this channel, the way it started, was always about. Koakiro come, what's up for real? At Max R at Space Stonks is that active? Yeah, I do push-ups. I do 3 sets of push-ups every other day. I bang out 20 to 25, nothing major. I'm gotta stay in shape. I do gotta pick my cardio back up. I do gotta pick that up. I fell off with my cardio though. So I gotta get back up with the cardio, do some sprints, get my walks and my little jogs in, all good. But I'm pretty damn good shape, I would say. So no complaints there. I'm not like really, thankfully, I worked hard to stay in shape. But anyway, I think that goes a long way when you're sitting in front of your computer or your smartphone and you're looking at your investments all day and stuff like that. It's really important. I even made a habit of making a stand-up desk. I stand up, I sit down, because if you're sitting there and you're working, I'm talking to you out there, if you're working a computer job and you're not doing manual labor, you gotta stand up. I preach what I do. I stand up, I take breaks, I walk and stuff like that. But if I was doing a manual labor job, like sometimes I'll run into someone out there and they're doing their job, whatever, if I go to IKEA or something like that, and I'll get to a conversation with someone and they're like physically moving. I'll say, hey, you got a great job. You're actually getting paid to go to the gym. Look at the positive side of that, So it's really, it's a good thing if you're moving around a lot and you're very active. But anyway, I like McDonald's, right? That's why I got McDonald's stock. I like McDonald's, but if I eat McDonald's every day, guys, it wouldn't be a good thing. I would be more, I'd be really, it just wouldn't be a good thing. So I spread those McDonald's visits out, okay? But I love McDonald's, for sure. Koa says, I lose some real hair for Dogecoin. Got 2 patches of hair loss in my head. Come on. We got to get that back. Are you saying you're stressed out? Are you back in school? I remember you were going to school. So what's up, everybody? So we got Elon Musk tweeting about Dogecoin, whereas back in March, if he would have tweeted about it would have definitely went up more. But we don't need that right now, because Doge has its own course of action now, right? So Elon Musk definitely helps. He's putting Dogecoin out there, keeping Dogecoin on the map. He's going to be working with Dogecoin, and I don't think he's going to abandon Dogecoin. And it's tied up with SpaceX now. Max L at Space Dogs, I have seen you in other video. What do you mean? You see my other video? What do you mean? Max L says. Max L, you mean from the, I don't know what that means. So check this out. Max L is in the building, by the way. He's been with this channel for a while. A medium, wait, what's it say? A medium wind would blow Matt over. Michigan pop. A medium wind. Oh, I see. Hold on, let me take a sip of some Mars water real quick, guys. So, this is really good. There's a lot of headlines right now, and hopefully we are going to get a good crypto pump with Robinhood. With all the talk about cryptocurrency, Robinhood to launch cryptocurrency wallets as Bitcoin becomes a bigger part of the business. This is according to CNBC.com. Robinhood is testing crypto wallets. It's all the same headlines. It said this on the other side. Robinhood is testing crypto wallets. We know this. With select clients next month to allow investors to send, receive, and move cryptocurrencies in and out of Robinhood app. Now, if I get accepted, I will let you guys know. I will show you what it looks like, how things have changed. I'll show you on screen. In recent months, some users have taken to social media to complain that basically that Robinhood is locking them in and they're not having actual ownership. I'm just reading now and putting it into my own words. They don't have actual ownership of their coins. So a lot of people are complaining about that. So Robinhood knew they had to do something about this, right? So they want to get on this right away, and it definitely is probably going to affect other crypto sites and in places where you can get where you have to pay or have a certain fee, because they're going to make it, from what I understand here, it's going to be free. There's no commission, right? The move comes as cryptocurrency makes up an increasingly large part of Robinhood's revenue now. So that's what's up, guys. As a matter of fact, I'm taking a stand-up right now position, so if I sound weird, I'm standing up. Sometimes I'm in my own stand-up desk. So yeah, guys, it's your boy Space Donks. I almost got 50 likes in this live stream. I'm gonna make some probably pre-produced videos, not live streams, to add on to me coming back to the channel. I think I love Starbucks, so I'm a cover because I'm a coffee. I'm not gonna lie, with my one vice in life, 2 cups of coffee a day, no doubt about it. I got Starbucks all over the place, okay? I am definitely in the Starbucks. It was one of my first serious stonks, right? And I profited greatly from Starbucks stock because I predicted the future. When it was under 50 in 2018, I always tell the story. I'm proud of it. I predicted it would go to 100 plus, and it did. A year later, it was $99, right? About $99. It jumped up. Crazy, right? Good story. So, sorry, Angel Castro is, wait, I got my name highlighted a few times. I'm so sorry if I missed you. Yeah, school stuff, Dogecoin, it happened just a month, but it stopped. I finished the quarter. Hey, school pays off, okay? Guys, my wife graduated 2020, right? And she got an amazing job recently. I'm so proud of her. She was already doing her thing, and she's just got, I can't believe it. My wife just crushed it. She crushed it already. She just got an amazing job. It paid off for her. Okay, Max L, what's up, baby? And hey, congratulations, Koa. You stick with that. Make your dreams come true. They do come true. Work hard and do your thing. Max L at Space Donks. Some guy in the comment section said he seen you some channel and I watched it and I'm pretty sure it's you. All right. Some guy in the comment section. It's all good, baby. It's all good. See, the reason why I didn't want to link this channel up, I wanted this channel to be its own. I didn't want to use any outside influence, and I wanted to see how the YouTube algorithm performed. I wanted to do this channel separately and never tell anybody who I am, or if I have another channel, is link it in and use any influence from any other channels promoting this channel. So that's why I did that. So some people think they have uncovered the mystery. Yeah, it's just a totally different ball game, if you will, this channel. And it feels so damn good to be doing it, let me tell you. Angel Castro, you think we've seen the bottom of Doge? No. I honestly don't think we've seen the bottom of Dogecoin, because I do believe, and I could be wrong, of course, I do believe Bitcoin will go back down. It's been going up and down like this, and it's going to create more opportunities, and Dogecoin will probably hit the teens again. I think there's definitely not the bottom here. Oh, you know, and don't forget, guys, I'm bullish on Dogecoin. I see this as a positive when this stuff happens because you get more investors into it and more opportunity for other people to get in. And it's just like, I'm looking at it realistically. But this is not going to last forever. Eventually, there's going to be a time where we're not going to see 22 cents ever again. We're not going to, it's going to be like, will we ever see 50, 60 cents again? Because it's going to go further and higher like Bitcoin did. It's like asking, like I'm thinking, oh, will Bitcoin ever be $2,000 again? I don't think so, barring some type of black swan event. Hopefully we don't see that. What's up, MG? What's going on, baby? Nathan Sayers, I use Wealth Simple in Canada. They don't have wallets. I also use CoinSquare, Quick Trade, and no wallet. Maybe one day we'll get wallets. I hope so. I hope so. I think you should. I think there should be wallets coming that we can all get everywhere. I'm having difficulties getting some cryptos in New York, by the way, that I can't buy. Dogecoin World Order, I'm still here. Hey, we're still here with you. Guys, do you see my new thumbnail on this video? Because yesterday I made a new thumbnail for that video and it was showing an old thumbnail, but it was okay because it's a Dogecoin thumbnail anyway. So I'm hoping you could see the thumbnail I made. It says Robinhood wallets and I put outer space and I have Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. If you see that, it's good. Just checked. I'm at 54 and change. Can't wait for the wallets. 54? Alan Fernandez, you mean number 54, not 54,000? That's pretty dope. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Coffee, definitely. I got a message from Robinhood. The wallets are coming. Yes, definitely. I got on the list. I am on the list. I should have taken a screenshot of my number. I'm in New York. Someone says I can't buy Shiba on Coinbase. Yup, same here. I can't do it. Same here, baby. So, there's some crypto I can't get yet. So, it just is what it is. But yeah, anyway, I just want to talk about this real quick. So, going back to the Robinhood to launch cryptocurrency wallets as Bitcoin becomes a bigger part of business, I think Dogecoin and Ethereum are going to be a bigger part of business as well. And a lot of other cryptos, there's going to be a lot of opportunities. So I'm pumped up for the future. I'm still, you know, I just bought, I announced yesterday, I think it was $250. I was looking at my wallet of Dogecoin this week, earlier in the week. Like I think it was Tuesday and Wednesday. No, Monday and Tuesday on the dip. I bought more Dogecoin. So yeah, Dogecoin, I still think it's going to go up again. And eventually, I'm hoping we go to the $1 trillion market cap and beyond. We go to $7, $8, $9, $10 for Dogecoin. And people are going to be like, what the heck? I missed out on this giant opportunity. Even when it hits, because I think it will, 80 cents, they're going to say, how did I miss this? Why didn't I do this? A lot of people, you know, they're going to get in on it. You can't get on everything early. Some people don't realize it. And sometimes it's timing. Sometimes it's luck. And sometimes it's just like you have, you know, you just have that desire when you see something and you want to get in on it. You have that gut feeling and you just get in on it. You take a chance. I'm super bullish on Doge. Some chapper says 260K Doge. Wow, now in holding for at least 2 years, I believe. No doubt. Congratulations. That's great. I didn't buy Tiger Coin. I don't have Tiger Coin. I don't have it. So everybody, this is a really good time. I definitely am in Robinhood still. A lot of people say, why are you in Robinhood? It's just Robinhood. I also have Coinbase. I'm in Coinbase. Robinhood was the first thing I've ever traded on in my hand. The app that I downloaded, that I bought my first serious trades on. For a couple of years I've been trading and investing now, and it's the first time under a penny I bought Dogecoin on. So I got love for Robinhood. That's just my prerogative. Am I mad at someone else that doesn't like it? No, that's crazy. Why would I be mad at someone? It's your prerogative what you want to invest in and trade on. It's your prerogative, you know? So that's what's also good about the Dogecoin community. You know, it's about unity, it's about positivity, not negativity and toxicity, right? So why, who has time to be mad? Being mad at people walking around mad, for me, is just, that's hard work. You know? So yeah, guys, what is up, everybody? We are chilling and we are watching Bitcoin go back up. We're watching Dogecoin right here at 22.5. Will it be 23? It looks like we're trending upward again for Bitcoin. Let's see how the market did today. The stock market was down the other day. Stock market news. Stock market definitely has a lot of psychological effects on people. Also, not that are investing possibly in cryptocurrency. When things are all going up, sometimes people feel really good about that. Whereas others may say, "Oh my God, stock market's going down. Time to invest in crypto." You got different people, different personalities, different theories, different trading styles, different investing styles. So stocks gained on Wednesday as investors thought about, the Federal Reserve's latest monetary policies and decisions. After a volatile start to the week, it was going down. I got a text saying, "Oh my God, look at the stock market. Look how down it is." But I'm like, look, it's going to go back up. The three major indexes advanced, with S&P 500 adding nearly 1% to an end of a 4-session losing streak. So that, it's always good to see things turn around. It cannot go up forever. The stock market and cryptocurrency, like we always talk about, it just would be weird if it went up continuously and it didn't stop. I would sell. I would be scared. I'd be like, this is not right. Something's wrong. I got to get out. But it doesn't work like that, right? So you have some volatility, especially with crypto, that may work for you, it may work against you, and today it might be working for you. Sorry, trading crypto in New York sucks. There's only Gemini Coinbase available for New York. My cat is meowing. Are you making a special appearance? Do you guys hear that? I gotta acknowledge it, because you hungry? Wait, meow if Dogecoin is going to the moon again before 2022. I'll let you guys know if he meows. Come on. So I got no meow right now. I'm waiting on one. So what else? Alan Fernandez is talking about that's how I feel. Oh, he meowed. Did you hear it? I got a meow. My cat's predicting Dogecoin will moon before January 2022 again. Did you hear that? I got the meow. Look at the mic to him. All right, buddy. My cat just wants my attention. So guys, I think this is really awesome. And again, Elon Musk, this has been a few minutes ago now. Super important for Doge fees to drop, basically, so it's easy to make more purchases. He says with movie tickets and stuff, and we're thinking everything. He says make things like buying movie tickets, meaning what we've been talking about, we've been discussing here on his channel for months, that it needs to get where it's at. So all of our products, Netflix, streaming services, Apple TV, many things that we love and we enjoy across the entire world, we could definitely buy with Dogecoin and Bitcoin. That goes without saying. When I say Bitcoin, when I say Dogecoin, Bitcoin as well, vice versa. But it's going to be really great because Dogecoin is still so cheap. Like I said, most people, maybe a college student or someone that doesn't make a heck of a lot a year, or maybe someone that is just starting to invest in crypto. So it's really attractive that Dogecoin is only a few cents and it hasn't been over $1. Because when they look at other cryptocurrencies, they first learn about it. Think about it. If you first learned about cryptocurrency right now and you're looking at Bitcoin, you're like, oh, hell no, that's too much money. And then you look at, oh, Ethereum, that's famous. Oh, I can get that. Oh, wow, it's too much money. They're going to look at Dogecoin. A lot of these people that are new into investing, it's just, kind of like common sense. A lot of them are going to be investing in Dogecoin, guys, which is really good because Dogecoin is easy to invest in at 22 cents or even when it goes back to 40, 50 cents, as opposed to even if it's fractional shares, thousands of dollars like Bitcoin or Ethereum, a few grand, right? More people are gonna be like, I want a whole of something. I want a whole Dogecoin, as opposed to I cannot buy a whole Bitcoin or Ethereum, because a lot of these people are going to be new into investing. Some of them are going to be very young, 18, 19, 20, and they're going to be like, oh my God, I can't afford that. But Dogecoin, however, is a great alternative. You know, it's really more attractive from where I'm sitting. If you're into the mind of these people or the situation of people that haven't been investing and they're new to cryptocurrency and are looking for a small play into the crypto world, right? Into the crypto market. I think they would be more likely to go with a famous hot coin that's cheaper, like Dogecoin. So that's really good to see where it's at. And I'm pumped up for the future because I'm going to be stacking and buying more dips again, okay? So what's going on here? I'm sorry, if you don't write at Space Dunks, I miss it. It's highlighted orange, but I'm scrolling through here. Some comments. Hey, Max L, if you're out there, if you could text me what channel you think you saw me on. I'm curious if it's the right one. If you could, I gotta go on my Twitter, I'll see it. Appreciate it. So, yo, it's your boy Space Donks here. I'm broadcasting live out of New York, and I can't believe how many minutes it's been. I just want to thank my super chatters, Native Honey, holding all that Dogecoin money. Sinu E. Garcia, let me know about Elon Musk tweeting. Welcome back. Thank you so much, Nathan Sayers. I appreciate that. Love right there. Once again with a super duper chat. I appreciate that. And yeah, it's gonna be another day and time. I'm gonna come back for sure. I'm not leaving yet. Just saying. Can we get 60 likes? Can we do that? That would be cool. Help me in an algorithm here. Please tell me Robinhood used the standard Dogecoin transfer fee. I think it will. I don't know. I got to read more about this. Robinhood, they just need, I mean, they're going to treat, before they were treating crypto, right? Like stocks. Now they're going to be treating it like a currency now. This was like, this had to happen. And it's about time, guys. It's about time. So it's going to take some time with cryptocurrency, even though like we have our fast bursts where it rises real quick. It's going to take a little time, and it's going to be like patience game here, but it moves quicker than stocks. So remember that when you're on the opposite side, when it goes down, you got to remember that. If you're like buying Dogecoin, let's for an example, at 22 cents today, and then tomorrow you wake up or next week and you see it at 19, 20 cents, like I said earlier, I wouldn't panic. Just chill. Diamond hands, golden arms, it's going to definitely go back up. So why would you take a loss? I don't like to see people lose money, so I wouldn't want to see that. So what else is going on? Let me see this real quick. I'm looking at Elon Musk's Twitter. So yeah, anyway, so this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys real quick. This is what's going to look like when you, I am 58,000, like I said on the list here, but I want to pop this in the window and share this with you all so you guys can have a look, just in case you missed it, what it looks like on Robinhood. When you have a position, it's gonna look just like that because it looked like that in my phone. It said 58,000 for me. So look at that, boom. I'm not 40,000. I'm 58,000. Unless my friend joins and I get pushed up on that list, I'll let you know. I'm actually gonna send him a text right after this. I'm like, dude, hit that for me. Get me bumped up on the list. So I want to be one of the first. So interesting times. So guys, Dogecoin, I think big things are still in store. Dogecoin is gonna roar once again, and it's not gonna be hitting that floor so low. A lot of people were speculating that it's gonna go down to nothing again. I don't see that happening. I don't even entertain that because I don't believe it. I just send you a tweet. Angel Castro says, I gotta log into my Twitter. Angel, I gotta log into my I'll I'll do that after. It's hard for me to multitask and talk and run this and get my password going and all that stuff. So I was on a much needed break, and I haven't been into my Twitter in like 3 weeks or more, you know? So it's really this. Thank you. I'll check it. Angel definitely gonna check the Twitter because I know Max L probably sent me something. I gotta get up in there. So by the way, anybody with that Dogecoin spray axe can still? Did you use it all? I remember some of you were very generous in trying to get a Axe Dogecoin can to me, and I didn't get it. I didn't want it. I missed out on it. I didn't want to take it from someone. But let me get my tickers back here. Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin. I can't wait till Doge 1 in 2022, first quarter. I cannot wait for that to happen. I am very curious to see what is going to happen. First cryptocurrency in outer space. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be really, really a big, big day for us Dogecoin investors. It definitely means something. It definitely does. It'll be covered by the news. It's going to be a really big thing. Let me see something here. Okay. All right, guys. So I think I'm going to wrap this up. I just want to come on. I just want to get this algorithm popping again for me, or just, let you all know that I'm back here. I'm doing these live streams. I think an AMC, maybe daytime live stream might be in order for Friday. I noticed a lot of things with AMC. I always try to speak freely and speak my mind. I couldn't give a damn about a bunch of views and just, saying, hey, AMC is going to be 500,000 and running all these numbers just to get a bunch of views and stuff like that. I always kept it real, So I'm in AMC still, absolutely. $22 is my position, and it's a slow burn here. We're gonna see what happens. A lot of us wanted to squeeze. Let's get to 100, like I've been saying. Let's get to 100. There's just a lot of people talking about some astronomical evaluations of it in the past, and let's get to 100. That's what I'm saying. Oh yeah, Sinu E. Garcia, and thanks for letting me know once again about that Elon Musk tweet, baby. I appreciate it, because that's crazy how I went on, and it was kind of ironic for me. Is that a good omen? Kind of like the old days, early 2021 or spring 2021 on this channel, where I got on, I started talking about Dogecoin, and people were like, Elon Musk just tweeted during the live stream, which is crazy. Pretty dope. At Space Donks, this person on Twitter named Plan B is predicting 100K in December. I don't agree with that at all. I think whoever that person is absolutely. I'm gonna be real. I am an AMC. I am a bull. You're getting the real deal. I think that person is either just hyping it up for views or some attention. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, I thought AMC. I was gonna say, so if someone's telling me that AMC is ever gonna hit 100,000 per share, they're just full of it. It's never gonna happen. And I'm being real. That's just ridiculous. Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin, that would be great. I hope it does. I don't think it's gonna hit 100,000 before December. Bitcoin, I could be totally wrong. I'm a Bitcoin bull, obviously. It drives Dogecoin up. It drives everything else up. I hope that happens. And that person probably knows a hell of a lot more than me, and they could be very wrong. I've noticed that. Guys, this is funny. I want to share this with you because you probably understand where I'm coming from. I see a lot of people, and they seemingly know a hell of a lot more than me, but they're wrong a lot about a lot. And when it comes to the stock market, and their predictions are wrong a lot. And I'm like, damn. That's why I'm just like, I'm a retail investor. I'm just hoping that happens. But realistically, Bitcoin could definitely jump up to 100 grand in December because it's cryptocurrency and it's volatile and it runs like that. If Elon Musk, if the perfect storm happens, if Elon Musk, like I said, under these conditions, Angel, in my opinion, under these conditions, if Elon Musk accepts Bitcoin as payment again, that will drive it up definitely, like it dropped it initially. And then if other things happen at the same time, more miners, other nice things, that move forward and get very bullish could all form, and in December, boom, it can go up drastically, 100 grand, right? But I think it's just a little too high, a little too soon. Could be totally wrong because it's crypto. It could happen. I hope it happens, but I think we got to wait a little more. I think 100 grand in 2022, very possible. Very possible. Like Kathy Wood says, 500,000 per coin. But we're going to see what Elon Musk does. If he does accept it for holidays, the Tesla payment, like I said he should, and get Dogecoin in there with it, oh, that would be amazing. That could definitely put it over, at least visit 100 grand at some point in time. Because when it hits it, it's going to go below it at some point. Again, it's not going to go to 100 grand when it does finally. And it's not going to, in my opinion, never go back down under 100 grand. It should. So we'll see what happens. Just, speculating, obviously. What will Doge go by the end of the year? Can Dogecoin go past $100? $1 or $100? I don't know. Dogecoin is like Ethereum going off of Bitcoin. Dogecoin could definitely and should get back up to 30s. It should. And then 40s. And then hoping the momentum and more buyers are out there with the Robinhood wallet. As we trend towards 2022, I think Dogecoin is definitely going to start hitting up to 50 again for sure. Aussie Padilla, what's up, baby? 500K per coin, but that will be in about 2 years. Hey, that would be awesome, amazing. Hey, you know what I'm saying, my friend? That would be crazy in 2 years if that comes true. In 2 years. So, looking at 500K in 2 years, Aussie, going by your prediction, it would make sense that Bitcoin hits 100 grand by December, right? Because 2 years comes hella fast. So we're going to see there's a lot of people with a lot of big expectations for Bitcoin soon. They want Bitcoin to go up quick, rapidly. So what are we going to do when Bitcoin hits 100K? Are you selling? Are you holding? What are you going to do when Dogecoin gets to the dollar finally? Are you selling? Well, your boy right here didn't sell Dogecoin at the top. So I'm holding on to my Dogecoin. Bullish for sure. Definitely. I could sit up here. I know I have to in some of my videos, like title it like Bitcoin $100,000 plus. I believe that's going to happen. But because it gets an emotional reaction from the viewer and people click on it, they find your channel and you get your word out there. But that being said, when does it hit 100,000? That's the question. I'm not going to act like it's going to hit there tomorrow. Dogecoin better go higher than $1. Absolutely, JR Rock. I think that it will eventually. We got to hang in there, guys. Hey, before I get off here, can we get 70 likes? I'll put that out there just in case there's some of you people in here that didn't like, and I appreciate all the likes, appreciate the support, and appreciate just hanging out with you guys. Really good times. For real. So what else is yeah, so I think there's just a lot of good potential here, and I'm looking forward to an amazing future with cryptocurrency. The dollar feels really old. The dollar feels like a thing of the past. The dollar or paper money, let me say paper worldwide. Paper money feels like an old idea, and I just feel like it's going to keep changing, and we're going to move forward with this, and we're going to get to the point where cryptocurrency, maybe, I hope I'm around, one day it overtakes paper money, period, right? Let's go to Bet in the House. Weird Austin, you've been around for a while on this channel. I'm going to add you as a moderator. I don't want to make anybody feel like they got to work or anything. I'm just adding you as a mod just because. Crazy Legs Rocksteady Crew, what's up, baby? It's been a long time seeing you in here. Back when Doge was trending, I remember you. How high will Dogecoin go? Okay, keep doing what you do, Crazy Legs says. What's up? You too, man. Keeping it rock steady. Hip hop in the building. So, yo, guys, I really believe, like, I'm serious. I've made some really tremendous gains. And going back a couple of videos, I invested in support.com. I never got any update on that from any of you. I think one person invested in, because I didn't tell them. I cannot tell you what to do, but I put it out there saying it was going to go up. It was at $6, and it made it to a lot. It went almost to, I think it was like in the 60s one day when I was overseas. And like I said, I sold it because I didn't like the idea. People were trying to say it's going to merge. I looked on stock twits. I could see a lot of fake bots were like, do this, do that. But it was just a swing trade. It wasn't like, oh my God, this is an amazing company. It was just a trend. I seen it coming, and I got into this support.com at $6 and change, made a very good return. I sold some in the 30s and high 20s. What a return. It was really good money quick. Yeah, it was really, really good. It paid off. So I do have that video there, and I hope some of you, if you did get it, you got out of it in time. And just keep doing you, and just keep using good common sense and invest wisely. Do your due diligence. You hate to say that all the time because it's like the thing to say with investing, but do your research. That basically means do your research. I'll add a few more to my 3,000 Dogecoins. Metal Mike, I just got more Dogecoin the other day. You know, I should take screenshots and throw it up on the screen. It was basically $250 worth, right? But it added up. I got it on good dips, and I kept adding to it. And yeah, you know, I wanted to go out with Doge when Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live. I could have sold all my Doge right there and bought an entire brand new best top of the line Tesla. Boom, right there. I could have done it, and I didn't. Okay, I held. I sold some and I rolled it over because I got more than one portfolio into Bitcoin. And I've told you all that, keeping it on the up and up. I got Bitcoin, I got Dogecoin, I got Ethereum, and I got Litecoin. Litecoin. So that's what's up. If you're wondering what kind of cryptos I got, I'm out of New York, baby. So I cannot buy some of these other coins. And guys, in my opinion, be careful with the coins that come out because some of them look hella sketchy. Okay? So you got to be careful with some of them. Because you could be in your mom's basement. Some kid out there could be in his mom's basement making a cryptocurrency, because it has happened. Some TikToker, I was reading a whole article about it, made a cryptocurrency, and people started jumping on, and he was like, I just made it as a joke. And people started investing in it. There's just some scary stuff. So make sure you definitely do your research and get, reputable cryptos that you can definitely depend on, things like that are out there and that are completely legit, like Dogecoin and all the other top cryptocurrencies, Cardano, good stuff, So is there anything wrong with a legit cryptocurrency that's not known? Heck no. Opportunity, go with, like I took a chance with Dogecoin under a penny, right? So Metal Mike says, so $30 Coinbase, I bought Shiba Inu and got 5.6 million coins. Good for you. That's crazy. I can't get it anyway on I'm out of New York, like I said. It won't let me buy it last time I looked on my Coinbase. But guys, Robinhood wallet is going to give some type of bump, whether it happens right away or it's a methodical situation, because remember, they're not opening up the cryptocurrency across the board right away. That is Robinhood with the wallet. They're going to pick a few people, hopefully like myself. I'm on the list. And going into 2022, from what I'm reading here, from what I understand, they're going to open up to more people, and it's going to get expanded. And this could definitely spark, like Baron said, fee wars between, Robinhood, the markets, the cryptocurrency platform, with other competitors. They're going to have to lower their fees, right? Robinhood is definitely shaking things up with this. Whether you love Robinhood or you hate Robinhood, it's going to shake things up, guys. So it's going to be all good. Okay, so your boy Space Song's gotta bounce. I gotta go. I don't really have to go, but I want to go because someone had contacted me in my inner circle. Well, you guys can make it. Orlando Finney, what's going on? What's good, Space Donks? When I see someone that I recognize your name and you come in, I want to hang out more. I want to stay. Indiana in the building. What's going on, baby? One day, when we get to 100 live viewers again, if that happens, we'll do the roll call, the shout outs, where everybody's from. I suspect this will happen as long as the Dogecoin algorithms on YouTube push the channel out there in live streams. Like I said, for me, I've been in situations where I had tons of live viewers on here, which is great. And I have the opposite of that, which is great too. Because like I said, when I started this channel, I'm not here for any type of getting famous type of quick. going out there, oh, I'm going to be famous, and that fame is corrosive. Fame doesn't last forever. And just think about one of your favorite YouTubers from 5 years ago. You may not even remember their name right now. Like, oh, that was my favorite YouTuber, or that was my favorite actor. Things change. So I'm never in it for that to begin with. Alan Chi-Town, what's going on? Well, my YGO just got here. Al, what's going on? Thank you. A big supporter of the channel. I'm glad you're back. Al, you should be saying that to me, right? I got your message. You said that to me. Al, yeah, definitely. I returned. I told my story of how I was locked in on my account. I appreciate the super chat right there. And to all the other super chatters earlier in the hour. Wait, over an hour ago. How long have I been going here? Time just flies. I appreciate that, Al. I'm glad you're back. I'm glad you're okay and things are all right for you. You're here. So, yeah, Al. So things are looking good. Robinhood. We've been talking about Robinhood opening up their wallets. Finally, Robinhood. Crypto wallets coming to Robinhood, y'all. How dope is that? Robinhood's crypto expansion is going to be advancing. And yeah, the bears are going to be hating and bashing. And by the way, I do want to make it known, I am an investor in Robinhood stock. I made a video about it. It is no secret. If you're wondering, and you kind of want to know, I do have shares in Robinhood. And I'm not trying to sell them, okay? I got Robinhood. I want to see Robinhood stock over 100 before AMC. Let's see if that happens. That's Space Stonks. Never got the notification. Yeah, see, what's up? Alan Chi-Town used to get notifications from me. YouTube have seemingly did that to this channel. Suspicious activity. I couldn't get into my own channel. I almost lost all my channels. I almost was locked out. It's a long story, but I almost was locked out for suspicious activity. And then they went in the algorithm. It's to protect you. It's a long story, but it happened to me. And they were literally at one point going, oh my God, my main Gmail. They were like, you have to prove who you are. And then I couldn't even upload or publish abroad on a different IP like you used to be able to do. I used to be able to go anywhere in the world, no problem, upload to YouTube. It literally said they're sending a code to a phone that isn't even on. It was crazy. It was like, we're sending you a code. If you can't verify, you can't upload. It basically would just not let you do it. So anyway, here I am, back in the building. It's your boy Space Stonks. And I appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you very much. I remember one of my live streams before I left to Europe, you guys paid for pizza, soda. It was crazy. It was for real. I did a live stream from the streets of Harlem. Real talk, it really happened. And I was talking about Dogecoin in the street. I got to do more of that, I think. Just to do a different take, try something different, right? And I think a lot of you guys enjoyed that video, if I'm not mistaken. I fired up my iPhone, literally launched a live stream from the streets of NYC, talking to real people in the street. And a lot of you guys seemingly enjoyed that. Let me know if you want to see that type of content here, because, that would be fun to do it again. Court, thank you for the super chat, Court. Sending me a Canadian super chat. I appreciate that, Court. Court, I know exactly who you are. I hope you looked at the pictures of the stock from Canada. Bombardier. I always say the name wrong, but it's really good. Here, I'll show it one more time. It's because of you and your significant other that I got in on that. You guys tipped me off. And right there, Bombardier, right there. It's right on the plane. How awesome is that? This is when I landed in Warsaw, I believe. Let me just pull this out. I am not in a photo, just in case you guys are wondering. Or maybe I am. You guys had to really look at this photo. I am in the captain's seat. Just joking. Yeah, this was a lot airline. This was one of two where I saw Bombardier, the stock I invested in. It's a penny stock. It's at $1.50 right now. I'm in at an average of $1.32. Why not? Why not? I like aviation, and I like the idea that I could see it on planes now. I immediately recognized it, pulled out the camera, well, the iPhone, and took that picture. Want to share that with you guys. I thought it was pretty dope. See, that's the way you got to look at stuff. Like when you're going, in my opinion, with stocks, and that's a part of doing your research, your due diligence. Look at that. A stock I invested in, I'm hoping for big contracts. I'm hoping for big things. You never knew. No, they might get a call from SpaceX. You just saying speculation. You never know. They're dealing with aviation. You never know. NASA, you never know. They might get a call for a contract with something, and then all of a sudden that $1.50 stock is $25. I'm just saying, that's how things happen. That's why there's so much opportunity in the stock market today, as well as the crypto market. There's opportunities, guys. You just have to sometimes take a look at what you like and take a chance sometimes, and sometimes it pays off big time. Dogecoin, NFT, MetaMask. What's going on? I don't know what J-Rock. I never got in on the NFT. At first, I was kind of, I think I even said that publicly here. I said, yo, this is kind of frustrating because I know a lot of artists and I just didn't like the way the NFTs came out. And then the famous people, I like when like a struggling artist, like I always grinded, I came up from nothing. I like to see one of my artist friends, whatever type of artist they are, I mean, digital, whatever. And I like to see them get their NFT out there and blow up. But no, all these celebrities at overnight, just they're already rich, they're already chilling in their mansions. And you know, I'm not hating, but I'm just saying they come out with their new NFT and they get all the attention and take all that market. But why not support a struggling artist first? Just saying, that's where my mind's coming from. You know, everybody's different. I'm just saying. So I was saying that at first. So that's just what I'm thinking. NFT, Al says thumbs down. Is it just a novelty? Is it just a something that's gonna go away real quick? It's a fad, right? Guess that joke went over like a lead balloon. I missed something. I'm in here ranting. I think I missed a joke. I'm going back. Oh, here it goes. Alex Town. I'm protected. Just went to the pharmacy and picked up a 12-pack. Got it. That's funny. Alex Town. That's what's up. I didn't read it. That's funny. A lead balloon. That is funny too, because I never heard that expression. Where have I been? A lead balloon? You got jokes. So guys, yeah. By the way, thank you. Oh, I'm going to read one more time before I get out of here. The party continues. Native Honey, thank you so much. Again, with 2 days you gave me super chats. Thank you for the support. Canada representing. I think that's the same person, right? That's switching names on me. Shiba Inu, Sinu E. Garcia, thank you very much. Nathan Sayers, Canada in the building all day. Says, this channel is the best. Stonk's channel on YouTube, hands down, says the best channel. I appreciate that. Thank you to all my mods. I just want to thank you guys while I'm here. I appreciate it. Kuro Kirikun, great seeing you again. Max L. Let's see if I got any other super chats. Alan Chi-Town, thank you very much. Court, representing Canada all day in the building. Thank you so much. And have a great night with your family. I really appreciate that. So yeah, I'm really feeling good about everything. Long term, I just gotta scope out some new stocks, more opportunities. I know a lot of you don't want to, I don't tell anybody what to do, I just tell you what I'm doing. A lot of people probably don't want to buy Starbucks because it's too high. And it's not gonna make me any more rich or anything like that, but I'm just saying it's an opportunity because Starbucks, believe it, it's going to go up, it's going to continue to rise, and it's going to split. Absolutely, Max L, I really appreciate that. So I'm looking for more Starbucks tips. I was actually looking forward to Starbucks going down to 111, hopefully a little lower, and I can get more and get my position, get a new, bigger position. I already have a position, but get a new position, average down, and do this. Hey, you take care. Appreciate that, Max L. No doubt about it. I'm going to check my Twitter. It's overdue. So guys, it's your boy Space Donks, the one and only who first bought Dogecoin under $1. What's up? Holler. So I think that some big things are in store. I think that I'm really positive and bullish on cryptocurrency still. And I'm just hanging in there. I'm going to stay invested. And I'm also pumped about other stocks. Alan Chi-Town, did you check out that support.com? What it did when I was off? It was crazy, right? I know you know what I'm talking about because I think you commented on the video. Now it's called Green or something like that. It merged. At Space Donks, we need a late stream, bro, and tweet it out so we know. I've reversed my hours, but that's a good idea. I might experiment with the algorithm here, and I might come on either tonight or maybe the next night for a later live stream, like at 9 p.m. to get a whole new crowd, or 10 p.m. Probably not tonight, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, because you're not getting the notifications now. A lot of people are not getting my notifications. That kind of stinks. what's the point of having notifications if they're not serving the notifications to my people? What's going on? That's not cool, YouTube. So, yeah. So, guys, I just want to say, I hope you're all investing well. Get that money. Get your paper. It's your boy Space Donks. I'm here. I'm going to be back with another live stream from New York. And possibly, I got to experiment. I got to do more live streams from the streets. That was pretty dope. I enjoyed it. It went over well. And the craziest thing about it, again, thank you. I think Samantha Mitchell, she's out there. And I think Guillermo was another person. And Al, I think, was in that live stream where he missed. But they were paying for my pizza. I was going to $1 pizza. Then they were like, get a Coke. And they were sending me money. And I actually went out and really went and added up the money they sent me during the live stream, even though I wasn't going to get it right away with YouTube check. But I took that into account. I said, I'm going to go buy myself pizza and then get another slice and get the Coke and everything they paid. It was pretty cool. Just, it was really flattering that they actually treated me to my dinner that night after I ended the live stream up in Harlem. It was pretty dope. All right, guys. So, yeah, that was my first live stream. The thumbnail has a guy doing a wheelie on a motorcycle. It was crazy. It was pretty. I want to do one of those again. I want to get a really good view of New York somewhere and do a live stream, and it'll be popping off. Maybe I'll be going up to people talking about Dogecoin and crypto, what they think, like I was doing back then. So we'll see. I'll try to make that happen in the near future. Maybe next week or a week after. We'll see. It depends. I had to figure out how to live stream. I remember I have to do that again. I was like, how do I do this? Because a couple times it failed when I was trying to do it. I was looking at tutorials on how to do it out of my phone. It was my first time I ever did anything like that. At Space Dunks, I need me a slice. Alan Shytown says, yo, go get your slice, Al. Nathan Sayer, what another super chat. I appreciate that, Nathan. Thank you. And I'm going to give you a super duper chat horn because I know you and your significant other have been blessing, showing love. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, Nathan. Thank you. And look at that Shiba Inu. I love it. It's got that little, the headband representing Japan. Doing some kung fu. That's awesome. I think that's a new one. I didn't see that sticker. I appreciate that. That's a new sticker. I don't believe I've ever witnessed that one before. I appreciate that, baby. Thank you very much. So guys, I'm going to wrap this up. But now I'm not going to wrap it up because Nathan, I can't leave. You just gave me a super chat. It's at the top of the window. I can't do that. I can't just leave you like that. So guys, I just want to touch on AMC real quick. AMC has been really interesting, hasn't it? It was going up so high and it looked like there was going to be some type of squeeze going on. It was getting there. It was going in June, early June. It hasn't been that high since. So what's going to happen with AMC? I really don't know when it's going to squeeze. Anybody that could prognosticate and say that, it's just a prediction and looking at charts and telling you, I've heard a million times it would have squeezed already. When is it going to happen? We don't know what's going to happen. I'm just holding AMC. It's a meme. It's got a lot of attention right now. And I'm really comfortable in my $22 position. And I think that it should definitely start getting up. I want it to get up to, hopefully, early 2022, we'll see over 100. Hopefully. I don't know. I hope. It's another video for another day, another live stream. Court says, yeah, Native Honey is my other account. I just figured that out. I forgot to switch before super chatting 2 days in a row. Yeah, that's right. I thought I heard 2 super chatters coming from Canada, but I said, wait a minute, that's got to be Court. And I put that together tonight as I look up and I say, Native Honey holding all that Dogecoin money. That's right. Diamond Hands. I appreciate that. Showing the love right there. And we almost got 80 likes. Whoever gets 80 likes, good karma to you. Come on, 80 likes. One more like, it makes 80. Who's out there that's getting that 80th like? So yeah, that's really funny. So good. Hey, thank you for super chatting me in 2 names. I really appreciate it. You know that. We're just being told to hold to maintain the price high on AMC, Kevin says. Yep. That's what's going on. That's the way it works. That's the way, you know, AMC, I definitely am a supporter. I went into it a million times in those streams. I'm going to do it again with film industry. I work in the film industry. I know producers, writers, directors, actors, you say it, camera operators. I am a big supporter of the silver screen sticking around. That's one of my reasons why I got in. And I was saying, hey, you know what? Let's do this. Let's get in back in the when it was in the 20s. I got in before once a long time ago and I sold it, truth be told. Dylan, hey, my brother, what's going on, Dylan? Smash the like button. 80, you smashed it? 80th like? I appreciate that. Did you see the Twitter poll for AMC to accept Doge? I heard about that yesterday. Absolutely, Al. Crazy, right? Yup. I think it was, what, 70-something%? So, and I went on to say, of course, I had to mention it, that I do believe I was the first person, to my knowledge, that made that AMC call back in early July in saying, hey, get up to management, accept Dogecoin. I made that call. I got the video, the audio, it's all right there, early July on this channel. If you can go back, you can hear it. Yeah, Al, no doubt about it, Al. Al, good to see you back. I was shouting you out even when you weren't around. I was like, shout out to Al in Chi-Town. I hope he's doing good. I hope he's okay. Because I didn't see you around. And I was just wondering. I'm glad to see you back. I hope you had an amazing summer. 74%, thank you for adding that. 74% Dogecoin, AMC is going to accept it. They're going to have to, I think. It makes sense. It makes sense. I believe they will. There's a link, repost Twitter, like, get it out there, people. Dylan says, hey, you got your boy Space Dogs here. You know that we are going to do Dogecoin videos still. It didn't end. Sorry, I'm pounding my desk with a checkbook, guys. You hear that? That's a checkbook. All right? I'm not writing the checks. The wifey's writing the checks. I'll tell you straight up. So, guys, it's been really good. They're going to accept Ethereum, Bitcoin, ADA. They should. They really should. I mean, I made that call. It's not because of me, obviously, but when you got people calling and then you got people talking about it, it's just like a crescendo. It just adds up. It's like one big echo. AMC, we got you here. The apes got you here. We got you. We got you. Now it's time to start implementing cryptocurrency. Accept it. And then, of course, like I said, Netflix is going to join in, I believe. Apple. And it's going to just happen. Al in Chi-Town, Doge to $1 end of November. I hope so, buddy. That would be epic, Al. That would be epic. I got to get some more Dogecoin. I did, Al. I got $250 worth Monday and Tuesday. You still use checks, Kevin says. Not me, baby. That's what I said, the wife. She uses these checks. I don't know what she's using them for, but she's using these checks. Funny. So, yeah. 83 likes on my end. I appreciate that. Court, 83 likes. I see 82. Thank you. I didn't even like my own video. I don't want to ban myself somehow. You never know. I like my own video. The algorithm might say I'm doing something nefarious and get me kicked off of here. Dylan is all in Doge. Dylan, you know where to come. This is the Dogecoin channel. That's how I started this channel. Radio was like the third video in. Dogecoin was like 4 and 5 cents. And I was showing it on screen. So guys, it's your boy Space Donks. I'm going to take off right now. I'm going to take off. I'm going to break north just because it rhymes. And I will be here again. I appreciate all the super chats. Let me just read the ones that are showing. Native Honey, even though 2 names. Seeing you, E. Garcia. Glad to see you back. Thank you. You say welcome back to me. Nathan Sayers, all day. Big super chats all the way. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, baby. And you get horns for that. And Al in Chi-Town, definitely supporting the channel. Court. Nathan Sayers again. I appreciate it, guys. Really, it means a lot. Thank you very much for showing your love, your support. I'll be back here with another video. I think things are going to go up. I can't wait to talk about more stonks and more crypto. It's going to happen. It's going to be a lot of fun. Dylan, no doubt about it, baby. Yeah, bro, at Space Stonks to the moon. Been here since the beginning, bro. Respect. Right back at you, baby. And I hope you are sitting on some nice gains. Really. So, guys, I'm going to get out of here as much as I want to stay. Because I've been talking so much. My throat's hurting. It's been a while. I gotta drink some more Mars water. But I'll be back with another video in the near future, perhaps tomorrow, and then pulling off a night stream. I used to do like a day AMC or a day stonk, and then do a night live stream, like 9 p.m. ET my time, or 10 p.m. or 11. You get it. Sometimes you get a different crowd. Sometimes. So we'll see what's up with that. So guys, I'll be back with another one. Guys, remember, guys, thank you for everything. I appreciate all your support. Have a great night. And you guys know what's up. Alan Chi-Town, all you guys, I thank you all very much. And yo, let's get this Dogecoin. Let's hope December 2022 we're a lot higher. Let's see what happens. And big things are definitely in store for cryptocurrency for the future, and a lot of opportunities still out there with stonks. Absolutely. That's always going to be a thing. So I'll be back with another video soon, guys. To the moon, to Mars, and to the stars, baby. It's your boy, Space Stonks. I'll see you all soon. Thanks a lot for joining me on another live stream. I'm out, guys. Peace.